Hi, good morning, guys. My name's Peter Wade,
And I'm Paulina.
and we're just going to share a little bit of a close with you guys. Those were some incredible sermons, incredible admonitions, but I really enjoyed Scotty's, right? This idea of being called by God. Do you have that conviction to be, God is calling you?
Yeah. Yeah, and I just love the example that he gave about Jenna having to adjust, coming from the United States, from beautiful Oregon, and being used to having water just like having air. You breathe it, it's there. You don't have to think about it. And now she's in Apia, and she literally has to get buckets to flush the toilet, to take showers, to do all these things. And I just think it's incredible how she's adjusted so well, and she's doing incredible things there. God is doing incredible things through her.
Yeah, we really love the stories that are happening there. We also love the point about, being called in your ministry. What I mean, God gives you a certain passport or a certain ethnicity, to call you to help the mission field there. Look, it was an incredible set of sermons. Look, we want to encourage anybody listening, visiting, please log on to the Sydney ICC Church website. If you're interested in studying the Bible, get connected with us. We love studying the Bible with people. And as you can see, we're incredibly diverse and we love God. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening. And we will see you next time.
Bye.